All right, we're going to talk about how easy it is to clean and maintain your Soul Clean pan for your CleanTech EVO. So we recommend changing out this, per the frequency of your facility. Sometimes there could be some micro debris that builds up on the felt pad. Therefore, it's great to change it out at that time. We always recommend having a couple extra, to keep clean. So when you take them out, you have a new one to put in. Very, very easy to clean and maintain. This rubber mat with the foot cutouts easily comes out. This can be hosed off and dried. Very, very easy. And the most important piece, and this is what holds in the sand effect chemical, is this felt mat. Once again, this easily comes out, can be hosed off, hung to dry. This is why it's good to have replacement felt pads. So this clean, hang dry. This rubber mat also comes out. Once again, it's a rubber mat, easy to clean, spray off. There shouldn't be any debris on this because it'll be on the felt mat. Underneath this is just stainless steel. The pan itself can be cleaned in place, or it can be cleaned out of place if it's something you wanted to do. So once that's all out, simple. Put your felt mat back in, put your cutouts, rubber mat, and you have a clean, Soul Clean pan from there.